Everyone, today's the first day of Kwanzaa, which means we're reflecting on Umoja, Umoja, or unity. UNITY. All right, so let's learn how to write Umoja in EboN'Ko and Mandombe, specifically in Sakomeso Mandombe. So first, we're going to learn how to do it in EboN'Ko. All right. So you saw yesterday's video about learning the Nguzo and literally Nguzo, Saba, and Kwanzaa. So first we go over it in Ko, then we go over it in Mandombe. So in Ko, ooh, I'm not in the edit mode yet. Ooh, oh, ja, ah, right? But in Ko is written from right to left, So we have ooh, or rather, let me write it out underneath it. U, O, ja, Umoja. Right? And when it all comes together like this, let's get rid of that dot. We have Umoja. So let's write it together. U, too close. Too close, man. U, mo, ja. Very simple. Unity. U, mo, ja. U, mo, ja. U, mo, ja. Perfect. Now let's do it in Mandombe. Mandombe is, of course, written from left to right, so we don't have to do any transformations, and we can go straight into it. U, o, ja, ah, right? And then these consonant vowel clusters come together to make u, mo, ja, and then that all comes together to make Umoja. I know you can see it, so now let's write it. U, mo, try and give a little bit more space when you do it on your own. Ja, I'll give more space here. You'll see U, mo, ja. U. Oh, sorry, I spaced out a little bit. Got a little bit distracted. It's late. Mo. Late for me anyway. Ja. U. Mo. Ja. All right, now we can just put it all together. Umoja, unity, right? Now we'll do it again in EboN'Ko here, and we'll do it on this side in EboN'Ko. U, u, mo, ja, and then let me do that better. Ja, and then we'll do it on this side. We'll do it on the left side in Mandombe. U, mo, ja. Cool. So, Asante Sana, let's write it out. Signifies the end of our video. Asante Sana. Oops. T Sana. Thanks for watching.